Shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know. Green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Tick tock on the trading clock. Price jumps higher, don't be shocked. Moji rolling round the block. Riches knocking, this is rock. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead. Hustle hard in the morning light. Shots are ticking through the night. Moji's got that golden sight, making profits left and right. Candlesticks, the dance we know. Green and red like disco flow. Trading all day, don't let go. Cash that wave and let it show. Success is calling, don't be late. With Moji we calibrate. Stack that cash like we've got faith. In the market we'll create. Buy low, sell high, that's the creed. Day by day we feel the need. Victory is guaranteed when you follow Moji's lead.
Okay, good morning, everybody. How are you? Welcome to a Wednesday trading day. Today is January 15th, 2025. As you can see right here on the chart, let's just make this a little bit cleaner so everybody can see it. We had a huge run up at around 8:30. You can see the nice call out from the Gabby buttons. It called the buy. You had to prove it before. And right now we are well above the super expensive area. So right now, this is for me personally, this is a no trade zone. Just might have to wait to see what the open brings and take it from there. Good morning, Cloud. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. Tired, but I'm good.
All right, so good
I
morning.
caught this move. I'm not gonna be. So I caught this move. So I'm not gonna be on for long. I'm only gonna be here just to give the updates of the option plays that I gave out yesterday. So hopefully we're green on those option calls that I gave out yesterday.
Yeah, so right now, so for today, listen, it's no secret that right now we are bullish based off of the news. Now, remember, this news just did pick up, so to join the trend, I'm going to be looking for it to come back a little bit. at least to stay above this short on stall, long on break area. Come back here and most likely wait for a new 4 hour before I go into a long. Why? Because up here, like it's abnormal for us to be up here, obviously because we had some very strong news. So just be careful trading up here. I'm going to be very careful trading up here. I'll put it that way. Yeah, we're bullish on the daily. We have more room to go up as well. I'd say we have about 4, but the 21,475. If we can get there today. What else do we have? Let's see if we looking at 21,350 to see if we can stay above that. That'll be the first test. If we can't stay above that, then just wait for it to come back and then see if it's going to continue this bullish trend or if it's just going to chop around and consolidate after that move. And welcome everybody. Welcome again. Thank you for being on this live call. 8:30 was a beautiful, beautiful long opportunity right off the 4 hour. I mean, if you look at again, this is the DC slash, I'm going to call this the DC setup with the probability oscillator. Okay, you can see right here, you had a green money zone. And then let's see if we could figure out where, about here. This would have been the nice entry long here. And if you were able to stay in it, you were able to get about 200 plus points in 15 minutes. Insane. Absolutely insane. Will New York give any opportunities today? Or will it just want to fish around over here?
right. All right. All right. All right.
Let's hold that up for a little bit. Let's get ready for this opening bell. Opening bell is going to be in 30 seconds. Let's go. 15 seconds left. All right, New York. Show me what you got. And we are open. Let's see what the TPO says. TPO still green. That's good. Background's turning off. Might come down a bit. Yeah, same here, looking for longs. However, I just don't like it in this area because we are abnormally like sitting above the 4-hour forecaster, so I'm just gonna wait for price to come back to me. Let's see if price wants to come back down here. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. I know. Let's see if this is going to be a day where we just put one micro in, see how far it takes us.
Let's see what happens up here above these monthly levels up here at 291, 293. We also have 300 up here as well too. We also have a weekly level at 327 as well. I kind of want us to get a close above that. You could possibly scalp it from 293-ish to from 293 to 327 if you're feeling kind of frisky. Just be patient this morning. No need to rush into a trade. It's also a good rule of thumb after CPI to wait until the wait till the first 30 minutes is over with.
Yeah, I think that's going to be everybody's model this year. Cloud patience and discipline. All right, let's see what we got here. Nothing. Let's see what we got in this one.
It's a monthly level up here. You know, really two of them up here. That's why we can't really get a strong push up yet. I think New York wants to bring us down before we push back up. Again, you can scalp it from this 293 area to 327 to be on the safe side, 300 to 320. Look, a quick 20-point scalp. You could. I'm not saying do it. I'm just saying possibly that could be a nice little trade entry.
Okay, there's a little. I really want price to come down a bit.
It needs to come down. It absolutely needs to come down. I would like it for it to come down to 143.
Mm-hmm.
Even 100. Or I have a level that I had from last year, 21,060. That is not a weekly, monthly. It's just a zone that I have. Oh, you know what, Mo? Remember we had that zone before the election? I think that's what that is.
Okay.
Let
me look. Let me see. See on another chart here. Okay, yeah. If we could come back to, you said 190. I know South is looking for 190. I like that one. That's a good one. $190. See what else we got here. Let's see, we have, yeah, I like 190, 195. We have 137, 137. 130, okay, 140. All right. So some areas I'm looking out for is the 190s, the 150s. Yeah, give it like a 20-point cushion. Yeah, I like those too. I'm gonna put those on my chart so you guys can see it. See what I'm talking about here. There's this one. There's that one. And then there is this. I think South might be getting ready to get in soon. Depending if his setup is matching right now. I know he liked this area. Looking for 8. Okay. So these white lines you see here on the chart, These are just areas I think we can have some participation.
This previous monthly close, if it holds, you can even catch this up to the 290s. Mm-hmm. I feel like it needs a little bit more room down. I want more room down.
Again, so this is some good info for anybody who uses our indicators.
It's going.
When I see it like this, especially above that super expensive box, that teal box you see there, if it's there, I have to wait for the next 4 hour. Because it's either, if it wants to go higher, think of it this way. You have directions of place you want to go. You know where you want to go, but
the monthly open is at 270, by the way.
Yeah. You know where you want to go, but right now your GPS is down. So you could take a chance, driving it by yourself. But I'd rather have something telling me, okay, what's the likely, where are we likely to go? Trigger wise though, you had a trigger here to enter if you wanted to, but just was that the only news, the 8:30 news? Is there anything at 10 today?
Yeah, that's it.
That's it. I don't know what that means, South. Let's see if I missed something.
Like I like to take trades level to level. So like that monthly close at 226, to the monthly open at 270, to the monthly levels we have here at 290s. If we can break the 290s, then we have a lot more room to go on the monthly levels. Like I really like my monthly levels.
We'll see. We'll see what opportunities. Ooh, I think they put live streaming on. Nice. see.
Boring.
Yeah.
It seems like it doesn't want to get over this 300 level right here.
Yes. Not much to do right now. Let's see here. What's this? Yeah, this 4 hour was crazy. Huh.
If you took my initial trade idea that I said at this 293 to this 227 level, that would have been a nice scalp. If you would have kept your runners like you should as a smart trader, you should be in this trade. It should be able to. It should be able. It should be able to get to 378.
This is gonna be, for me personally, this is one of those days I just gotta wait. I have to wait because, let me see if I missed an opportunity somewhere. Yeah, probably this one. Yeah, wait for the 4 hour.
The original trade idea that I gave out at this monthly close at the previous monthly close to here is up 115 points. Another trade idea that I gave out is it almost hit 50 points at the 293 level. It's 50 there. So I gave out a 50-point trade and gave out a 100-point trade idea. Mo, I think my job here is done, sir.
Yeah, take. You're done
I
for the
mean, the thing
day.
is, like, I took, I actually took that last trade on my live account on my funded futures, so I'm chilling. I'm locked out of all of my Top Step accounts. Took one trade on my live account. I'm in runners. Whatever happens, happens.
All right, well, this is the day. Just gonna look at the chart, look at my levels, because
Let's see if this level right here, this weekly level right here, can hold this 327. I'm also looking for YM to make his way up to 43,583. We do have crude oil at 10:30, so I'm hoping we can get a move before that. Think about it, the Hakanashi candles gave you the perfect long actually at 230 or even 240. I'm looking at the Hakanashi candles on the 1 minute. I'm just seeing what Adam's talking about. Yeah,
hold on, DC's on. Let me just go here. Hey, DC.
Hey guys, can you hear me?
Yes, we can. Welcome.
Very nice. Am I too late to the party?
The party left before this even started. Now it's the best part of trading, the waiting game.
Okay, isn't Cloud long already?
He's done. He's halfway to Bermuda right now.
Ah, okay. Very
Right,
nice.
yeah. I
Cloud?
mean,
You're done
I'm
too.
green. So on a few accounts, I traded last night. And I left 5 micros running, and I had a pretty loose stop loss of 100 points on those because I was in profit from trading last night. And news came out, and as you can see, rest is history. after news came out, I did trade two more other accounts and green again. Over 100 points on that account, and then I took this trade on my Funded Futures live account. And actually, what I did with this trade was I first took it with 10 micros at the previous monthly close at 226, and then I took it with one mini once we broke and closed over the initial level that I gave out this morning. So once we closed over the 293, I took it with one mini. So I still had my original 10 micros. Then I added one mini because I didn't want to move my average up on those micros. I'm out of that one mini because I took full profit at 50 points off that one mini, and the micros, I only have 3 micros left from that trade at the monthly close down here. Other than that, I'm done. I mean, there's no more trades for me to take today. I've locked myself out of all of my accounts. I've even closed down Tradeovate. Whatever happens to these micros happens.
How about you, DC? Did you
No, I had
take
a
any?
no, I had a meeting with our mentor. I was focused on that. I didn't take anything.
No. Well, we'll blame him.
Obviously, that was I was trying to do.
Let's see. Yes, I gotta wait. This is when I need a spinner. How's silver doing, by the way? Anybody know?
How what?
Silver? Is it?
Oh, see, I trade gold. Gold. I don't trade silver. That's actually why I'm up right now, is because I traded gold last night and traded Nasdaq a little bit. But gold is what really, gave me.
Is gold up? Cloud?
Yeah.
It's up?
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man. I just.
Do you see anything on the charts? Do you see any areas of interest?
Here, I
We
can give
are
out another
very
long opportunity.
wait. We are definitely. I'm definitely biased long.
Hmm.
Okay. We are so expensive. It's not even funny though.
I know. That's why I'm like gripping this coin
Oh,
so
I forget that
hard.
we're still in the current 4 hour. New
Yeah.
4 hour. Oh, so new 4 hour opens up in 30 seconds. I just realized. I'm thinking that I'm looking at my chart and it's like I just see gray. So I'm thinking like, oh, like we're in the middle of a new 4 hour, not knowing that we're super
Yeah.
expensive. Yeah. We have a new 4 hour candle in 5 seconds actually. So
Hmm.
let's look alive. We do have crude oil at 10:30. I'm looking for YM to make another 100 points up.
I need new context. Okay. Now we have new
Now let's see.
context.
Amar, you want to take the loans I gave out?
I can't do it without the context because then my emotions will be
No,
crazy.
Mo. The 50.1. That was I thought that was a pretty good context.
No, it is for you, but I'm the one pushing the button on this side. So that goes to show everybody, you gotta trade your chart. And I'm not saying it wasn't a good call out. Obviously, it worked. But for me personally, I need the context so I know how to do my contract sizing and risk management. Now I really want it to come down to about uh, two.
70,
Yep, 270. That would be beautiful.
Wait, no. That's gonna stop me
250.
out.
Yeah.
270 might stop me out of my micros. Let me see. No, actually, no. 270 won't stop me out.
If this just keeps going, then
Then we might have to watch it.
yep.
Get some popcorn going.
Let's see. Anybody on the live get in anything? Anybody
You mean
take a
outside?
long anywhere?
You mean outside of me and you? I mean, not me and you. Outside of me.
Yeah. Wait,
Very,
you took
very
a new
subtle
one,
flex.
or is that the one you were already in?
He's all
Oh, come on, man. What happened to that discipline word?
My trigger. I mean, right at the weekly level, 220, 27. It held. It held on the 4 hour, and also you look at the Hakanashi candles. It held. So, and we were still in the bullish move. Based off the Hakanashi candles, I just took it. 5 micros. You know. I'm trying to trade smaller sizing this year. So I'm
Yeah,
taking
okay.
more trades. Because in the past, it's like I would take, like heavier trades and be more cautious, and then sometimes miss a move, and then sometimes because I missed that move, I would be kind of aggressive on the next move, and it was just too much.
Hmm.
So I said I'm going to size down,
Ooh, nice.
take more
Julia long.
appropriate trades, and have better stop losses.
I'm not surprised the permeable's long.
I'm only in promo bull because the market has been on a tear these past 15 months.
Yeah, you and like.
Yeah, yeah, on a tear, like 500, 1,000 points down. Okay, on a tear, yeah.
Okay. So like, okay. I know a lot of people
We
like to
are
say this. Oh,
barely back where we were Friday last week. Barely back. If I'm watching like when we
I
were on the
know,
6th of January, we still have like 2,000 points to go. Yeah, on a
if
tear.
you look at the last 15 months, every dip has been bought up aggressively. Every move down has been followed by a stronger move up.
What you're saying is not completely wrong, but as a day trader, I'm not watching the monthly.
I watch my monthly levels, so that's kind of why I look at monthly charts and monthly levels.
Well, all I can say is see what 10:30 brings, see what 11 brings.
Right?
Yeah, because right now, like,
Right? Not what next month brings.
yeah. Who was telling
I
me?
mean, when it will come, yeah.
Yeah, somebody was saying, oh, that yeah, I'm good at the lower time frames. I was like, yeah, because that's what I trade more often. I see them
You
every
saying
day.
me?
No, no.
Oh, okay. Because I normally trade the smaller time. So I trade the smaller time frames, but I use the monthly for my entries. Like I like to, enter and exit off those monthly levels. But I do trade off a 15, 30-second chart.
Yeah.
I don't like it here. We're already expensive. Okay. Fidget.
Yep. I truly am starting to hate these days. Like, what I'm still working on is when price moves, right? Even like before I'm on the charts, when price moves like that, I struggle with where to get on the trend. I can't see it. Now maybe it's different. Maybe maybe this one, maybe today will be the day that something will help with that. I need some people to take profit around here so price can come down. It's okay. You can put your TP here a little bit. Couple accounts. It won't hurt.
Well, Adam wants 500, so you're not gonna see him taking profit.
Well, he's the problem.
Yeah,
He's the problem.
He's the. Oh, come on, man.
We're making new high. We are.
I don't see anything that can run 100 points.
Mm-mm.
If I wanted to scalp, yes. Okay, let's go into
That's
scalping
different.
mode.
Yeah.
Yeah, small dips. Okay, you buy them, but
Actually, South called out a good level around the 190s to enter. South, if you're on, put in the chat. Did you take it? I think he did.
yeah, 190 was good. 190 was good.
Okay.
I want to put 400. Then I move my stop up on these micros.
I mean, while I'm waiting for my train to stop, we could talk about what you see. Let me see. I gotta move this over a bit. Let's talk about some indicators here. So this top here, this is called the algo TWA algo dashboard. On the side here in green, these are just some tickers. This is ES, YM, Apple, Amazon. As you can see, they're green. But this is really where the power is in it. Let me just move it over into the center of the screen so you can see it better. Just one moment. Top center. This way you can see it. It's coming. There. So you can see it right here. It's in the center of the screen. Higher time frames are pointing long. We have our mentorship averages are in order for long. That's just a way that we can see which way the trend is. Right now in this session, we're bullish and price action is pulled back with trend. So what does that mean? Just like what DCNI and Cloud and everybody else is doing, they were just waiting for the pullback so we can hop on the train to go with the trend. Now, if you look here at the trigger chart, you know, where would the pullback be? I'm looking for it. I'm going to play it very simple. I'm looking for it to come back to anywhere close to this money zone. And then just put that back. Okay. this was a good spot right here. Yeah, see, this was a good pullback here. There's one opportunity right there, and since then, I haven't seen any ones that look appealing to me. So right now I'm just in the waiting game. Will this be a day of 0 trades? Let's see. I know Cloud is in a trade. His runners are still running. DC is probably still looking for an opportunity, or may have scalped a couple.
Nope. Nothing yet.
Still nothing. Here. This one, so you can see it too. I don't have it here. Well, the dashboard also tells you the ATR, which is right there. Let me move in the center because it's off screen here. Let's see. Hey, Adam.
Hey guys, good morning. How's everybody?
Doing pretty good. Just waiting. Just waiting.
Just waiting.
Yep.
What is that? You're in?
No, I'm not in anything. I'm just,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Because for me
Is
personally, like when New York started, we were well above the 4-hour forecaster.
got you.
And since then, I haven't seen in real time, I
Okay.
haven't seen the pullback. I saw it afterwards,
Yeah.
but in real time, I did not see it.
When once we start the Excel, man, you'll be able to get in.
Yeah.
You're gonna love it. Is anybody in?
I know. I think Cloud's in. I think he's still running. His is still running. Um,
Okay, good.
and I don't know if DC's in. I don't think so. Last time he said no.
Okay, got you. Um, did you get a chance to talk about the dashboard?
Oh, if you want to go into it in more depth, it's on the screen. So, you know.
Um, let me open up your chat box. You know, there was a guy, actually an indicator only member that joined because of you, right, from last month.
Hmm.
Um, he reached out to me and he had questions. I said, hey, you're watching the live every day. Why are you not posting in the chat? And he said he would. So
Okay.
let me just check your chat before I start, because I told him, I said, you have to use the chat. You have to ask questions. You can't, I mean, you can't expect to have answers without getting the question first.
Let me just make this bigger so it's easier to see. Panel size normal.
I gotta mute. Okay. No, that way I'm not hearing twice. Yeah, so I see Horatio, Julia, Jason. Yeah, Jason's not on the indicator still. Hopefully he joins soon. Yeah, the guy that has questions is not asking. So we're gonna go over the dashboard. I got the chat, Mo's chat open. So if you guys have questions, you need to ask it. Basically what I just want you to look at is the higher time frame, the order, the session control, and the price action. The overall trend section you can see sucks. All right, it's garbage. Mo, 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 you can change that to an option 2. It might be a little bit better on option 2.
Let's see.
Their overall
Option
trend,
two.
but it is, but even option 2 I don't like, but I think it is better than 1. That will be phased out or just replaced, one or the other.
Okay.
But those 4 columns is what I want you guys to pay attention to. Mo already knows this, Cloud knows this, DC knows this. This is not for their benefit. This is for everybody that's watching the live, that's in the chat. This is what we were doing our Discord, guys. We share our information, we share our setups, trying to make everybody better with the tools. When you see higher time frames long and the order is long, that right there is huge. And all you then need is for the session control to agree. If the session control goes bullish, then you know that we're good to go. And the price action just confirms what you should already know. So when it says pullback with trend, that's it. There's no other price action. So think about the price actions we have, right? We have pullback, we have reversals, and we have retracements. Those are the 3 types of price actions. Okay? So when you get a pullback, that is confirming the direction you should already have in mind. All right. So these 4 things that Mo just highlighted there for you are telling you that this move is confirmed and it's going to keep going. It's not one of those things where, oh, maybe we're too expensive, maybe we're going to go down. This is different than yesterday. So, if you were to compare yesterday's dashboard, you could see the higher time frame was red, the order was green, this was red. Like they were not matching. They were not agreeing with each other. And that's why the longs won and the shorts won. You could make money both sides. When all 4 of those are telling you the same thing, don't try to short the high. You need to get into the move. Get into the move and ride it. All right?
Yep.
That's how this dashboard helps.
And that's exactly, so for everybody out there, that's exactly what I'm waiting for. I'm waiting for, think of it like a train, right? I'm waiting for it to stop at a station so I can get on and ride it to the end. I'm not shorting anything. I don't care. Even
There you
if
go.
on the 4-hour forecaster, I don't care. I'm not shorting a thing. I want it to come down because I want to jump on the train and just ride have my runners ride all day long.
Yeah. I love that. I love that analogy. It's perfect. And a lot of people don't know how to use ATR, so I don't mind. We can teach that as well. You guys just joining the live calls with Mo and Cloud and DC every day. You're going to get value whether you pay for the indicators or not. ATR, So there's a free indicator on TradingView that can track the ATR. It's going to be like a little line at the bottom of your chart. We have it here on the dashboard to make it really easy to read. We don't care about this silly line or anything like that. We just want to know what is the ATR, which stands for average true range of the move. And right now you can see that it's at 11.35. It was just at 10 something. That means participation is going up. All right, there's more people that are interested in the market. So if how can I put this? When you see the market is moving higher, there does not need to be a lot of participation. So what you'll notice with ATRs is when the market is moving down, the ATR's got to be high. All right, there has to be participation for the market to move down. Why? Because the natural flow, the natural movement of the market is up. So the participation has to be very high for the market to move down. So now that I'm in this long, right, it's up over 200 points or whatever, I want to see the ATR start to come down. I want to see participation actually slow. Why? Because then there's zero chance it's going to drop on me, right? And it's just going to slowly continue to climb. All right. For Mo, he's trying to get into this trade. He wants to see this spike in ATR like we just had, because that's what caused that that quick little ebb down, right? And now we want to start to see the ATR go back down, and that's the flow, right? And then you can get an ebb and flow there very, very nicely. So that's how you track ATR. Again, Jason, I see that, you've been in this chat almost every day faithfully. If you have questions about ATR, ask it. That the person who shall not be named because you're shy and you're not putting in the chat yet, put your questions in the chat. And if you have any questions about what we just talked about ATR, ask it. All right. This live call is only going to get better. Like Cloud, Mo, DC, they're full of knowledge. They're going to be able to help anybody. You just got to ask the question. You got to ask your question.
Yeah, days like today are perfect days to ask a bunch of questions. Because why? Because it's very clear today what the buys should be. I mean, there's no other way to say it. So that also means when it's very clear like that, what I've learned over these years of trading with Adam is that now is the true game of trading of waiting for it to come back so that you get a good opportunity to go in your direction, because there's no shorts and longs. It's not ping pong today. It's literally just looking for one way. Once you get it, you enter, and then you see how long you can hold it for. So if you have any questions, pump them in, because we got DC on the line. We have Cloud here. We have Adam on for probably like another 5 or 10 minutes more.
Yeah.
So this is the time. Even if you have any questions on the indicators, mentorship, or anything like that, now is the time.
Yeah. So you can see how the ATR dropped there, right? Now we're at 10.01. We went, the ATR exploded. I can't say exploded, but it went up from 10.5, 10.6 to 11, right? And what did the market did? It made a move down, like a couple candles down, right? Maybe that was 20 points, maybe 15, I don't know. But that's where it's like, okay, I need to get into the long there. Don't get scared and think, okay, that's the time of it's going to fall. No. Get in when the ATR is going up, and then you want to watch the ATR go down. So see how the ATR is hovering around this 11 mark. I want to now it's down at 10.09. I want to see no more 10.5, no more 10.9, no more around 11. I want to slowly get it under 10, and once it's under 10, then I can feel really good that it's not going to have the participation needed to go back down to where it started, and it'll make it easier for me to trail my stops. We're in this expensive box of Mo's setup here in the forecaster. If the ATR, there it is, ATR now at 9.86. If the ATR is dropping, what are the odds that it's going to leave that box, right? There's never any certainty in trading, right? The ATR can just start climbing on you without any notice, right? But, as you're in this trade and you're monitoring probabilities, if you're seeing the ATRs dropping, you start asking yourself, what are the probabilities, what are the odds that it can do what I don't want it to do, which is to leave this box. I'm fine with it staying in this box until 2 p.m. Eastern. That's fine. But what are the probabilities of it leaving the box? Well, if the ATR is climbing higher and higher and higher, it's a really high probability that price can get out of the box because you need a lot of participation. But if the ATR is gradually going lower, then the odds of it leaving that box are less and less and less and less and less and less. So right now we have, on the side of the dashboard, you can see ES turn red, YM is red, Amazon red. The only thing that's green on Mo's dashboard there is Apple, So let me check my dashboard real quick. For me, Microsoft is also green too, that's a huge combo for me. I love watching Apple and Microsoft. So ES is red, YM is red. Well, that means NQ is going to go down too, right? So that can kind of help you kind of mentally prepare. Okay, we're going to have a little bit of a drop here. Some of my profits are going to go away a little bit. That doesn't mean I need to exit the trade. You're going to get excited once you see YM turn green, and then you see ES turn green, because then NQ is going to go back up. So that's how you can use the dashboard to really help you. I'll message that guy.
What's up, Adam?
Hey, what's up, Cloud?
Man, I just got back. I was trying to handle some business. It seems like I see like the longs that I both the longs I took are up. The last one I took at the 4 was up 70 points. The first one I took was up 180 points. I was selling
Oh, nice.
Like I saw some
I think we're in at the same time.
You got in a few points before me on my first entry. My first entry was at a monthly level.
Oh, okay.
And you got in, I think, 20 points before me.
Oh, that's not normal.
I know. But the thing is, like, today, it's like I want us to have a retracement back down, potentially here. I actually want to get stopped out of these 3 micros that I have here, that I bought here at the weekly level of 392. I actually want us to come down to this monthly open of 269. Then I might want to explore another long there. If not, I would love a long, like, deep down here at the New York low, which is the super cheap pot.
I'll be disappointed. I definitely will be disappointed if we drop below 330. I want to see 330 holding.
But see,
that'll be my first pain marker. Like, this trade really hasn't been very painful to sit in, right? If we drop below 330, that'll be the first time where I'm going to feel that pain for sure.
Yeah, but like yesterday, when we were trading live, DC called out an area, and he said if this breaks, we have another 200 points down. I think we actually end up going 200 points down, and then I got longs towards the end of the day around like 12:30, 1 o'clock yesterday.
Yeah, I got 1 o'clock. Yeah.
That ran. You know what I mean? So it's like,
yeah.
I feel like even though we have these big swings and ebbs and flows in the market, like I would not be surprised if we did come back down and test the area of like 226 or even 270 and make our way back up, or if not lower. So, but we'll see. We'll see what the market gives us.
You guys see how that ATR went up, right? See how that ATR shot up? We were all the way down at 9.8. Now we went up to over 11. That's what the market is going to show you. That's what it has to do, guys, for it to go down. And if the ATR continues to climb, what are the odds that the expensive box is going to break? It's very high. It's higher, right? But if you see that we hit the expensive box and the ATR starts to fall, then what are the odds that it's going to come out of the box? It's not as high, not as likely. That's how you can, have your probability mindset, not a certainty mindset, but a probability mindset to help you with your trading decisions. So Mo's got a dead center on the chart for you. I'm just waiting for YM to turn green first, because if you're new to trading futures, YM changes first, ES changes second, and then NQ changes last. And then RTY is like the stepchild. So if you're, shocked by this move down on NQ, you shouldn't be, because the dashboard showed YM go red first, and then ES went red. So we said, okay, those two are red, so guess what's going to happen to NQ? It's going to go down. So NQ doesn't need to surprise you. It's volatile. It's volatile, and that's why it's good to trade it, but it doesn't need to be a surprise to you. Now you can see Apple turn red too. All right, Mo, you should be getting some questions hopefully in the chat. He says he's going to use it, so let's see.
All right. Let's see what.
For those in the mentorship, I'm looking for that 15-minute full candle to go above 383 and hold. We do not have a full 15-minute candle above that. If we get that full 15-minute candle above 383, then that can help your nerves and kind of confirm that we're going to go to that 500 area that I'm looking for.
I honestly feel like if we won 500 on Nasdaq, we may need to see Nvidia do something that it hasn't done in a while and make an explosive move back up to its monthly open of 136. I feel like that can make Nasdaq have the move that you're looking for, Adam.
That sounds good to me, man.
Look at Amazon. I gave out the call out. Didn't take full
Long at
advantage of it.
60.
Nice. Nice. I got the bullish statement on NVIDIA set at $132.16 down to $130.59. So I don't need NVIDIA to do anything special for me personally. I just need it to stay above $130.59, or better yet, $132.16. Yeah, this is good stuff today, guys. This is what we've been looking for. And I guess the only thing I can add to it, the convo, of what today is happening is, we talked about yesterday and how, or not really yesterday, Monday. Can you trade Monday? Can you trade Tuesday? Those type of rangy type days, and just be green or just be a small red. You don't need to have an amazing day. You don't have to, bank like crazy or anything, but did you make some good sound risk management decisions to where when today happens, you're not just recouping, but you're actually able to enjoy it, and that's what sets apart the good traders.
Hey, Adam, we have a question here. Can you please explain the prove it and prove it against labels?
Yeah, I mean, you want to do that, or you want me to do it? I mean, that's like, you love those, so I don't want to take away your.
No, yeah, somebody else can do it.
Sure.
Let's see.
So prove it means that you're with the trend, all right, and prove it against means you're against the trend. So why does it say prove it? Why does it not say buy? It doesn't say buy because it's not a confirmed signal. It's just saying prove it, prove me, prove this area right, prove that we're gonna go higher. It's your area to look to see if you want to take a trade or not. Cloud has a lot of levels on his chart. If he gets a prove it there at that level, that's going to make him feel even better about that level, right? But if he gets a prove it and it's not around his level, maybe he's not going to care as much about the prove it, right? So the prove it is not a buy or sell signal. It's just to give you a major heads up saying, hey, if you got something on your chart that makes you like this level, then I'm liking it too, and you might want to take it. The prove it can also be something to where, let's say it prints at 9:40 a.m. Eastern, and you're looking to enter, and you enter at 9:47. You enter 7 minutes after the prove it because you waited for 7 minutes of some other data to help confirm the prove it, and you essentially proved the label correct, so you entered. That's how prove it's work. Prove it against is for those traders that like to go against the trend. So I wanted to provide them an option. So prove it against the exact same thing, but against the trend.
There we go.
ATR almost at 12.
Good. It made sense.
Good deal. Perfect. Oh, is that what he said? Okay, good.
Yep.
All right, good. So guys, here we are. We're right at 383. This is what we just talked about. I don't want to see a rejection here. That would suck. I want to see a 15-minute candle close above 383, and then I want the next 15-minute candle to be fully over it, and then I know I'm good to go, and we can see that 500 area. If we can't stay above 383, this could be the high of the day. All right, so I want to see us stay above 383 here. That would be very nice of the market. Just go ahead and confirm it for us now. Let us enjoy the ride. It hasn't been, the sessions in New York have not been easy in this January for those that like to hold trades. Let this be a day that it's very easy to hold the trade. We got 2 minutes and 20 seconds left on this 15-minute candles. Close above 383. That's major. I mean, you can't do that by accident. All right, it's not easy. It's not going to be easy to have a 15-minute candle close above 383. It's pretty cool. Kind of feels like the Discord live again, Mo.
Little bit.
Yeah.
It's actually good because now more people can see what each indicator does and have a little background of it too. So.
Yeah, exactly.
And hopefully, when you guys head over to the Discord and you look at the setups and things like that, it's a good way to bring your questions.
Got a minute to go, and we're not above 383. Thank you, NQ. Less than a minute left. 383 is the mark, guys. Again, if we cannot get the 15-minute candle closing above 383, and then a full candle above 383 in the next one, then the high of day could be in. I'm not telling you that to short it. I'm just telling you that to understand your, reward of the long. All right, guys. Well, have a great day.
All right.
All right,
Thank
See
you.
Thank you so much for your time.
Yes, sir. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Bye, Adam.
Trend line within the green candles. No, that's not a trend line. That's called what's that called? It's called an evidence line. So you see it now that it just turned red. That just tells you this one's for the 30-second time frame. So that tells you that on this time frame right now, there's the bears are stepping in.
Out.
Nice.
That 400 doesn't seem like it wants to hold and break. I wanted to come down a little bit, honestly. But that was a good trade that both y'all took right there, honestly.
Not bad, not bad.
I think it was more than not bad. It was very good, man.
It was not bad in the sense that, what, not even 40 points.
Let's see.
Wait, what?
Let's see what else.
Oh, you know what? Apex is trying to turn into Top Step X.
Oh,
I see. They are. They just they gave me this wealth builder account thingy free.
they're all doing it. They're all gonna go to a white label brokerage soon. Nice, Jason. He's been in a gold short.
Oh, you know what it does? It shows you the 30% threshold that they claim that you need to have.
Oh yeah.
Oh, and it shows you the liquidation. Oh, actually, I think I like this. Damn.
They got you.
I'm just trying to see how do I trail my stops. I'm in profit. I don't even know how much I'm in profit by though. I'm up 14 points. How do I see this? Oh shit! This is the part that I had. Oh, I see. Oh! I see. Okay. I see. I see. All right, we're up. How do I? Okay, I'm sorry. This is not the live that I should be doing this in, honestly. My bad. I'm gonna just close out of this trade. Oopsie.
Let's see. Let's see if this money zone will hold or
Probabilities say it will break. So
Is that because of the red algo candles?
Yeah.
And also our failure to get back above 400, and also our failure to close above 378 weekly level. I still don't like Apex though. I'm not a fan of it.
New hour.
Oh wow. It held a 30-second money zone. For now, at least.
Man. Let's see. All right, 11 o'clock. Let's see. Okay, we have a Gabby Green button. Let's see if this does anything.
Okay, this is confusing me now. All right, so it's 11 o'clock. I had one long that went maybe 20 points in my favor, and that was about it. Couldn't see anything else, so I'm gonna be done for the day. Cloud, how'd you do? I did really good.
You're still in your long, or are you out of that one?
No, I'm out of that one.
Okay. And DC, are you done for the day? Did you take any? I know you took one trade.
Yeah, most likely done. Yeah, only one trade, but I don't like anything I'm seeing here.
Okay, awesome. All right, so
I only see shorts for the moment, but it's not in my trading plan. So
yeah, exactly. All right, everybody. So that's gonna wrap up today's live call. If you have any questions, don't forget you can always put them in the chat here during the live sessions, or you can go to the Discord channel. We have a free chat area where you can put in your questions, where Adam, DC, Cloud, and other lead traders can more than happy to answer those questions. Again, just stay disciplined, trade what's on your chart, and we will see everyone tomorrow. Thank you, guys.
bye.
Bye.
Woke up to the sunlight in my eyes. Today's the day I'll rise and shine. No worries, no fears cross my mind. Let's leave the doubts all behind. Walking on clouds, I'm feeling light. Smiles and laughter all in sight. Every step I take feels so right. Let's stay out of sight. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Got that confident vibe inside my soul. Living my life in cruise control. Nothing can stop me now, I know. I'm moving fast, I'm on a roll. Heart's a drum beating strong and loud. I stand tall, feeling so proud. Dreams within reach, head in the clouds. I'll chase them down.